How to connect Wi-Fi on Samsung Smart TV. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you have any Samsung Smart TV and you just want to connect it to a wireless network, then here is how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to connect your Samsung TV to a Wi-Fi connection, the very first thing that you have to do is just to press the home button from your remote and come to the home page of your smart TV. And from the home page, you just need to go all the way to the left side until you get to see the settings option. And once you get the settings right here, you'll get to see the quick settings at the top right here. So you just need to get into the quick settings by pressing the upper button. And once you're here inside the quick settings, you just need to go all the way to the right side until you get to see this option network. And once you see that, you just need to go and press the upper button from this one, and this is going to show you two different options, network status and network settings. You just need to select the network settings from here and get into this one. And once you do that, this is going to show you two different options, wireless and the wired connection. So the reason we're just going to connect the Wi-Fi, so it's going to select the wireless connection from here and then press OK. And once you do that, this is going to show you all the network connections that are available right here. So the first one is mine. So if you can't find your Wi-Fi name, you can come down and you can refresh the page like this, and this is going to show you your network connection. And once you get your Wi-Fi, go ahead and tap on OK. And once you do that, it's going to ask you Wi-Fi password. So I'm going to enter the password right here. And once you enter the Wi-Fi, you just need to go to the done button right here and then go and tap on press OK. And once you do that, this will take a little time and your TV will be connected with the Wi-Fi. And this is how you actually can connect Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Smart TV. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.